today I am going to make this Bengali style aloo chop. Let's do it. Already it's done. Dunk it properly. The recipe of aloo pur will be in the link. So I am just showing you the process, how to do it. It will be in the high flame. Let's flip it. It will be golden brown in the both sides. That is a very crispy one. You can find it in Tele bhaja's shop. So I am just making it at home. The stuffing inside the aloo stuffing, the potato stuffing is already cooked. So we just need to cover it and then we have to fry it. It's a golden brown fry. It's already done. Let's check it. So it's done.